Hey Tommy, like your vlog, like your citizen vlog, citizen John vlog, but I noticed you posted it 3 years ago, and so I'm wondering how come you haven't posted any videos since then. We'd all love to hear more from you, I'm sure. So I hope things are going okay for you. I'm sure that they are. And when you get a chance, it's definitely a high time that you posted another video vlog. Can't just do one 3 years ago and tell people to subscribe and then not do anything since. That doesn't make much sense, does it? At least not in my mind, man. But, okay, well, otherwise, you know, what was the purpose of you saying, of you doing your first vlog 3 years ago, and none since? I mean, I bet you got thousands and thousands and thousands of people subscribing to you. So, you should, let her talk, man. You gotta offer it. So, my joy keeps going out, man. Okay. So as I see, man, or as I'm trying to say, yeah. It's a way long time. It's definitely time for you to to post another video log. The last time you did one was 3 years ago, and you're asking for people to subscribe, and I would have thought you would have put tons more videos on since 3 years ago. But you haven't, but maybe you will get some more people picking your ass about it, and let's see some more vlogs from you, the great Tommy Chong. Okay, I'm gonna upload this now, and see what happens, I guess. Okay, take care, man. Peace, and thanks for all the culture. Bye.